bịakwanụ nụrụ update maka nya bụ trending video nke anyị fụ na-efegharị n'ihu akwụkwọ maka nya bụ ife merụ n'Umuoji ebe anyị fụrụ ebe a na-enyi ozu nke bụ na nwanne anyị nwaanyị anọ wee na-ebe akwa wee na-asị ụmụ Igbo gbatara fọsọ enyemaka na ọgọ nna di ya merụ na-achọkwa ịlapụta nwoke mmadụ. Hei, unu ya abịakwa ka unu gere ife nna di ya kọrọ ka ife anụnwa bụrụkwa ife ịsa anya wee nyere ụfọdụ ka na-eme nwanne m enye unu ana ọzọkwa ya nya bụrụ 1 plot of land ọzọkwa ya nya bụrụ 2 iwe bụ na ị chọrọ ime ọgọ ka ịlụta ụlọ ọgụ na ụmụnne ya ebi ọga biko kewaa ana ahụ ka onye ọbụla ya esi wee keta ọ bụ na ọwa nlu batara na nke nwanne rụgharịa anya gbagharịa fensị ọ bụ na uru ma mpalọ batara na nke rụa nke ụgba ya fensị ụnụ alụkọkwọ n'ihe ọnụ maka na echi dị ime echi etekakwọ ka ọ ga imerụ ghara ibutekwọlụgụ nsogbu bịakwa n'ọnụlụ nke na-eme ebe anụnwa ọkwa ọgọ ka nwoke mmadụ mechalụ nwanne ya nwoke emere ọgọ emeghị ya appreciate ụmụ nwanne ya nwoke fee eme ya nwoke melụfe ọgọ anafa achụ nwoke mmadụ ka ọgọ ọ bụrụ na ọ ya ekweghị biko n'izie alụfa anya bụ ụlọ na ya alụfa na ebe ahụ ebe ị nwegoro ebe ọzọ ibi fabiri na ana biri n'elu ka ị welụkwọ ndụ gụ na ụmụ umere ife maka na ndị ụnụ fụrụ kịta afa jikwa amụma fa ji mmiri onweokwo nke a kụrụ ekwe fa adịghọ na ya
ndị be anyị ekene m unu nekwa na anyị na Umuoji kịta ebe nnọ kịta bụ na nke na be anyị na ebe anọ m n'Umuoji nekwa na ihe na-emen biko ndị ụwa bịakwa nkụ ntile anyị ọnụ ihe na-emebikwa nekwa ka a na-ebuli mmadụ ebe a nna dị m bụ last born ihe amụ ha bụ nwoke na-abụ n'afọ mmafa amụ ha nwoke na-abụ ụmụ nwaanyị 3 nna dị m wee wepụta obiọma wee lụọ ọrụ nwanne ya nwoke ụlọ ka a wee nwee ụlọ ha ji tinye isi lụọ ọrụ ya ụlọ lụcha 1 story building lụkwa nke na ofu a na-ekenye ya na nwanne ya lụkwa nke 1 story building lụcha ha ịbụọ lụcha ya nyanwa bụ ihe ha pụtara kịta anụnwa ụmụ dị man na-achị ya be ya ọ bụzikwa na nke ha sọsọ na be nke ọ lụkwa alụ ha ọkwụ na afịa na-eme n'ụwa unu na-afụ budi nyenwa ka nwanne nwaanyị nwụ dị ebe nwanne nwaanyị ọ fọrọ ofu ndụ nke nwanne nwaanyị na-anọrọ be di nyenwa ka ọ nwụzi kịta sị na ha ga-enye ebe nna ha na-aga enye ebe nna ha nọ na be ha ebe a ka a ga-enye ebe nna dị mbụ last born a na-eme n'ụdị ihe eme ụmụ Igbo bịakwa tii n'ọnụ ọkwa budi na-aga ọnụ ya ọkwa budi ka a na-eme ebe a ọkwa budi bụ ihe a na-eme ebe a ụmụdị ụwa bịakwa tii n'ọnụ n'okwu a ndị gọọmenti bịakwa tii n'ọnụ n'okwu a ihe na-emebikwanụ afụrọkwa m ka mmadụ esi rụcha alụ mmadụ ụlọ wee kote okwu ọgọ mmadụ mere n'ụwa egbuo onye afụkwa m ka ọgọ mmadụ esi be n'ụwa ya egbuo nekwa nna dị m ka ọ lụrụ ụlọ lụọ nke ya na nwanne nwoke ka ha wee biri wee fụ ebe ha nze mmiri nekwa ka a na-emegide ya tata na a ga-eni nwanne ya nwaanyị lasbọd ha na nwaanyị na be ya a na-eme ya eme achụọ ya ebe nna ebe ekwesịrị inye anakwa na-eme ya eme ndị Facebook bịakwa na-enene ndị TikTok na-enenekwanụ kalakwa na ọgọ mmadụ mere n'ụwa nwanne na-eme nwanne na-emekwanụ nwanne ya ọkwụ na afịa na-eme n'ụwa na enyi ya adaghachi imebi beria ndị be anyị ekele m ụnụ abụ nwa ada Pixno ji wee mara m so anyị ya nọ n'ụbọchị nke taa bụ nna di m so about the viral video ihe men yesterday post everybody wants to know ihe men on that video and we need everything to ebido lead to that ihe anwa men na ma hapụ nna di m Michie na waje ka ọ kọwa ka o si eme ndị n'osi wee bido because onye ọbụla dị interested ha si chọọ ịma ka ịdị ihe mere ebe ka ihe a si bido ihe anụnwa m na-ekwu bụ ka ọ wee ka ụwa niile wee mụta ihe na ya and ọnwụkwa ka ya esi nwetakwa enyemaka through this video na ọkwa maka iji wee na-ekwu ya so Ichie na Nwaji ya n'ihu
ọmụ bụ Chief Anthony Abacha Ichie Chi Eze na Nwaji ọmụ onye ruo Umuoji Idemili local government area so na abịa n'ife gbasara ife a na-ekwu maka ya unu na-ekwu maka ya bụ unu m ọrụ mụ na after bido ya from 1977 oge aka dị 27 years so ndị mmadụ request agaghị atụ ya mgbe bido na-ebido business on time na progress wee nweta ego wesị na anyị ga-alụta ebe mụ na ụmụnne m ga-ebi mgbe bido the building my brother my senior brother bụ Umuoji Anambra ụkwụ mesin ọ na-arụ ọfụma mana first of all nna anyị nwere 2 portions of land marrying 2 wives. The other one bụ mama Obi Abacha nwanne ga na-ebe agba so sọsọ ya ka mama ya mụta na side nke aka na side nke anyị mama ya mụta ụmụ nwaanyị ise na ụmụ nwoke na-abụ so ụmụ nwoke na-abụ ha so inherit ibe papa ya nwere wee sị ka esi mee na diọkpala which is Obi Abacha nwanne n'oge ewere 1 portion of land as diọkpala then the other portion na mụ na nwanne m ga-eshi ya ya into 2 dịka esi eme n'omenala ndị be anyị so I ga-eshi ya mana asị m ya na echi ya na ga-ewere my own portion and want my own personal house. My brother was echi ya kwene eke ka but out of love I agree with you alụkọ ya ọnụ we build the house ya mana we build a medicine na handle the place ma ọ na-eweta ego na-egote materials ọ na-alụ na-egote materials ọ na-alụ alụgideza the house lụọ alụsịa I will build there oge anyị bizi about anyị nwekwa nso I need be peaceably without any problem So that will go one day. Okay, I'll not get there. I need to build in that building. So ebi na enu na ebi mine na upstairs. My brother and cousin, when they are in the place, will build up and down. We go on a build downstairs, aside down. So I know that one day, my brother, we go man like when you are my brother, one make a work now. What's not gonna I say get to look at never Robin. What's a while you just confront them. You are why you do make every book. I'm the one. So I know that me and Casa. Instead, I'm working out that one day. More go up there. I don't like us now, but I think this house. More my brother said, una ebina, un kokis kota, nga go ke momo ke tu ese lo ba. Wese le akwa gulpa. So but ko aba mo no ya now. Never say me put my children and my wife too. So they repeat together again. So I confirmed a meeting one day. And without the wife of my brother, not there. When my brother said, it's a near call, won't get to a salon. Heavy call. I said, yes, now I'm with the ego. I saw you if at that time. If we build this house, we look at women now. So, no, about it. One of the daughters, Ghana Ochima, where you are, my brother said, if you go get a means down for better than I can want to drop among. I said, well, it almost like what I said. No, if I call it, it's okay. I said, what's that? By then, my children, they were so small, only between 2 to 4 years. Even I said, one more to do why. What I send the breed. Because only on why, even not about what said. On good why, now home. So when you never see them, and my name is I debut about big until such a time. And the other even in now, they could be one of them. I saw my brother with even in an West Nangi also. Ichi also. Aviabo
Wiki, then have after
okay. Aviabo only. Aviabo only. Then you got the other one, my half brother. Gang with the other again, the other land. You have go one there, almost one hour. Here my own. Along the line, Jibaba, and then if you mention that I completely also said, I can name you. So my brother, for the part, know what I can name it. No, I'm going no matter go. So some of them not asking no more. I put your price came in for this and that. Sometimes 100 naira, sometimes 200, sometimes 250. It was nobody that time. So now go constantly. What's I know? Even when every time nothing happened, we go. You malama no brogo na kamani jega na village. Sometimes we cannot. Obrego ngi mo cha one bo. Even as in come na ba ta ba that. Even when anga go na ngi kemis person. Body aweja. After the only kemis that is that. Until today. I don't get me inquiry. Well, sister, you want my brother, oh, yes, or one, or chica. The child, the child, if I be the say all the time about treatment. Sometimes you do, sometimes I over. Eventually, from today, continue to treat them. Any time I report of sickness, never treatment then, and they beat me. Not that you would have the bill. Smoking and so on. See my brother, young barrier. We continue like that. Let me go. Then, okay, the treatment down. If I don't all ask for about 2-3 years, I get it. Then the boys, man, the girls, they took us gradually. So one day, that is that. When you came to me, he came to me one early morning. A lot of village that day. I was Obiakwa, some money, and Sanania. But since I gave on, or some boy, then I took them to my house. Where's no way back to your mom? I give it. Or some now. One day, worker. No way, one don't anybody money on my questions. Up me to delete the money. One of our best sometimes. Send you ego cash. When you catch what you go to my must have the detail they go. Let me find. Say show a video wasn't there. That's okay. We want my brother. Come from time immediately, sir. Now they don't know whether I joy about this. When you talk time. Or they will go in the room, my brother. Now that's the question. Say, but I need that money again. They say, that's what we want my brother. You say, please, I have to say now. I'm not ready to continue. I stop right there. Okay. So, the school fees, I contributed to the school fees. Because next market to Taro. Video Ivanana. Then along the lines, video never going to use it as well. I'm not Catazia. More than I like so. I go to report to my brother. Oh, my God, what's it? So make it never seen no marker. Then I have to take it no marker. We are never out of law. I won't over there. I can take it matter all. I do the until I miss my brother, Video Yamaro. Oh, yeah, for long. Then, you know, we wasn't get. Now, you can exam Makalia, we know that I have to beat out of this place. I have to threaten Bezam, name to mom, everything. What's my name is girlfriend, and we'll go on again. Where we do, know my own house. We're going to Talana, somewhere. Longest time, go on 1990, 1989. Okay, I can go to we will develop the place. We will do a about 3 years. I didn't know, okay. We pack out to that place. So, my now pack out to that place, out of that place. In Kanoa, I'm happy for my son. Because my brother, when I get that house, okay, oh, whenever we just ever joy. Then come for my son. I'll get the news about. I said, okay, I packed out to my new house.
And they managed to pack it out because of the threats.
The threat, now I want to do more.
Which I'm also able to witness to. When women are demoed before, when over, behind my befa. We're going to get no more witness and make we up. No, Ufunga one in Agafe. Ogafe lo say, in the never nunga musepa. Now, of course, they lay every. So that is the reason.
Western one man is very good. The threat I made about, I have to pack out for the benefit of my life and the life of my children. We packed out. Then, the guy just said, I rented the place until now. My son, I'm ready to live there. More can we have such a way than that. We have fight my weapons, everything. Whenever we have. Then we say, leave I can't now. No, I have to report to the family, the kindred, Akamuma, kindred. Report that on person can get more Ghana or is yes. Reported matter. Register. Who was supposed to go very meeting over. What I said, there could be the I know what better. I mean, one some Baba Mapago. Say, I want some Baba Mapago. No one of goodness is to your name. You see? Was no person of reason. No one of you never know. They give their own judgment. That now they were right to intrude my own portion. Now, my portion is my portion. You got to go.
Ndị mmadụ bịa na-ajụ na ndị ụmụnna amakwa maka ihe.
Ụmụnna m maka ndị George and judgment in my favor. Still, ụmụaka ajụ. Sir, megide ọkarịa. I reported to the village meeting. Uko ya meeting. Uko ya never say anya. Never the same judgment that they should not worry me about that place. Now my portion is my portion. So still, Fajr report that to DJ. I better DJ by offer way. Either by anya na ukuana ukuno. DJ get their own judgment. Ndi na look at ndi na go find understand. Jab witnesses. Even DJ who's a maju. We report that to. But on the night here, Brazil Mata, Gato, land and peace committee, Umuoji. Umuoji say, oh, the land and peace committee man. But where never in that case, the thing took them time up to 2-3 months. I don't know, George. Let me investigation. Let me inquire about that place. Finally, to get the conclusion at that place, they will be share. They will share.
Do you share along?
So you know share along where because I be aware. Two flats upstairs, 2 flats downstairs. Better send them where staircase. That staircase be divided the house. So then I get these are not going to be necessary. Let's know that this place, even if I put the investigation, they will necessarily the house. Now this house not man now here. Now they share. Still, all more never do not share.
Oh, one they say no about PG. Oh, one they drop on the comments about PG.
Yes. Okay, make that. We report that to Peace and Land Committee. From Peace and Land Committee, we link here PG. I link here. That this is what is happening in such and social place. PG was in that social I was okay. Then I get because all these judgments and only one they go visiting the scene. Why do you visit that place? PG were promised in the place and the place in question. What was PG? That's my brother's son, America. We will not invite. We will not inform that PG is coming on social and so date. That date, PG America did not come. PG, I said, what I said, where is America? My brother, so, what's get America bono? Western America, no matter the PG demanded the phone number of America. That's a video number. Imagine the second number. Where's the PG man? They are number. So I gave PG the number. He called him immediately. What they are online. When I said, okay, was by now we appointment today. I said, and they may travel. They are not around. They are travel and then travel. They are going to within the week or thereabout. You say, most of the feeling they are going to tell us. I think this meeting that day. Western Ghana in a week time. I both of us agree. And that student was not Ghana. That very day, I could not get there. Or that day, IPC, that IPC on Sunday. The PG was assassinated on Friday. So that
the PG won
along the line. So PG never handled that matter. But then after that, other PG, I mean, the one the guy take over. He took up from that place also. When they find the case, see that judgment, this place must be shared. What I go? And the PG were down here. PG say, because I don't think Papa Musa, name la Papa Musa. PG was not going to this matter. Now I'm proposed to for 9. Now that's a friend to go to the barrier. What I go? So, Umaka, national Muslim, Papa, even our landed border. Our landed border, seven operations. It has to blow PG's the committee. Nobody people. No PG, no, that's not I put until I miss a this issue. So, yeah, that like that. We make it sell, make it. Papa, that's my brother. Papa, all moon easy, moon and egg, but Sapalia. So, I met everything in a gaga. Sometimes, Umaka can do that their threat again. Even can't carry more. I'm not even getting I wish Marco like this, the Munda would. What would you want to want? Namoga Muna. Namsco, not the great number. What about 9, including the in-laws? Yes, only was it more got out of that place. The best way now go the window. Or we know because if you have anything then param, they will phone all money. I know whenever they go get no bad. I can't what we they are all married women. They will phone off Pantalandia. When what the messing man about they threaten me. I say I'm not about they will kill him. Musa Mamma. Many weapons. No one about the way. So and the messing man out by who did you so when I'm waiting, young about 10 or 15 minutes. When Russia to get the security. We got security. We have to rescue the man. The security on ground, the man will lead to all the ground is also about there again. If I can not be about. I can not be so make it a lot meant in there. If I was like that. We have that. This man will do now popular. Again. So we report what the matter to the security again. Sana people now for even can not carry makan. Was about even there now. Now, suggestion and get report that is matter to police. Police them way they have the power to arrest. I want to go for security. I made them arrest. They do use the wedding. It's okay. Then I went to the police. Whatever before then, Emeka, both the son of my brother, wrote to this security, Babiko, Yom, Arab over that place. He let it. So, when taking the advice of new security, I went to police, to Gidi police station. They report that this matter. When they report the matter, the police, when they beg him, I don't know, but when they letter to us, inviting everybody involved. I went there. It's the police. I just say I do. I do. That's how I do. But finally, serious. And they have to come to that very scene. The police will be never. When nobody has never say, and this house, from the pattern of the house, now this house for one person. Now we have for 2 persons to live. He said yes. For 2 persons to live. The police will do verbally anyway. 6 years and this house for 2 people. No one my brother went. He did not write any report. Whenever. These boys, the new one guy continue what? Never. I went back again to the police. The police were saying, why should they continue like that? Then Project Parapag and arrest them. They said, whichever one they like, he may not give it to the police. Why do you continue that threat on that man? And the man had to go old and not. Una person that kind of threat. Then okay. Even me them na get here. But na get invite them na mochi. Now my wife, my mother's uncle, my mother's sister and brother. But we invite them. They came. Father about 7 or 8 boys for every day. The police were yeah. The police on our house. They are there. We're going to get a bed. That's not my guy. I'm not going to get this house. Didn't know what you do. It's okay. Even me have now. Father life. Come on, the with the front. What I go? Come on, with the back.
Which now the man choose to go back.
Which the man, my brother choose to go back immediately. And that man go choose to pay bit of CDN. Maybe 7 in there, both windows, lookers and everything. All broken.
And he does the deciding kick off.
And they decided to come off, man, with the Spanish tires, no man, na floor.
My AC.
And the AC is there. It is amazing. But when have that, my portion,
no, that's your portion. The guy he does the system. After can be in Kehawan on here. No, in Kega.
Not my question. The policeman West more personally. Some Oga, Chief, the matter is on your side. It is what you decide now that we do. Are you comfortable with this, their decision? They want to take your side and you take their own side. They say, I have no problem. For interest of peace. And for love, because during the time my brother was alive, we had no problem, and I wouldn't like to continue, wouldn't like to do trouble with the children. The policeman said, "You are a good man, though. I said, okay, let us do that. So they took my own side. I was side in Kai in the morning. I said, okay, everybody went to I don't understand. Then after that, the police, although he gave us 2 weeks for everybody to vacate. You have to vacate your side, they have to vacate their side. Even I vacated my own side within 1 week and reported to the police, I'm vacating my own side. The police was okay. They called them. Say, oh, yes, now your brother, your uncle has vacated his side. Now, uncle don't want to vacate your own side. I said, okay, and I vacate. No person weeks again. Now, what the police are, I've never seen this before. I've never seen the action. The police were asking that exercise their patience. Then policeman, the IPO, when you're been Damel Emmanuel, I say, now, you're not worried that, but move exercise their patience. They want to know even the money. I say, okay, no problem. Until one day, the policeman said, I report now, I broke key to access my own flat. I say, I will key problem. Now, the key, what's the good key? What's the good key? I'm getting the policeman key. Now, I won't give it to them. And then they're violent all the time. You see? And I'm violent every minute of the day. I just can walk. And they was the police. The police was, yes, your uncle has brought his own key. Bring your own key. Or he will go like that. Like the police was, okay, what is your problem? The Pakistan police never have a key in a village. I don't key again. And when we get transpired, the police were key never. And they would have never, but see the key. See now, they're not going to release the key again. But I go, I never can. What's police? I have to use their force as a policeman to retrieve the king. Well, okay. I'll try that. He went to our place for more than 2-3 times. They were said that if they happen to see him in our compound, that they police have one of mine. So what's that about the place who want to be and overall inside dying when you've been local? What's my chief? I'm not going to visit at your house again because your brothers and children are threatening me. They say that if I come that they will kill me. Why? Why can't you use force as a policeman? Well, I'm going to use again.
So when they threaten police,
when they threaten to put police, if that's the mayor, if you ask, if you are today, because organ police work, if you are today, all get something.
So many people now it's police, so that even police, they are threatening the police, which is even against the law.
Yes.
How they are being violent to everybody.
Everybody,
including the police.
Yes.
Okay.
So now, yeah. The next thing we give me to report, to go and student to court. I went to court, and that made me to go to court. I wouldn't have gone to court, but when I handled the key peacefully. So for the fact of making peacefully, the next option for me to go to court, and they still go to court. Look, I'm not going to ask for 1 inch from their side. It's okay. You want to go in a court today, you know? Then I make it say, oh, I know that court. I go to court once. The day I joined my first hearing, as the judges non score. The court did not sit that day. Then even I'm surprised, simple. I joined that case from August 2025 to July 2026. And the thing is so long. I was saying, yeah, what will be the cause of this thing? The longer adjournment. So, never kind of along the line, my youngest sister, one, almost there, I went to plant. No, first of all, my eldest brother, my half brother, one. I now plan how to bury him, how to do the burial. Yes. I make the henny now. I did the whole thing single-handedly because I don't know what did not contribute anything.
So you have a message from mother who say in the family have one kid.
For me alone. So I continue to bear the body. The body. If you are in the body, more go frustrated. You see.
And the only time actually they still come violent. They want to create.
Yes.
Because even anyone I'm also a witness to that.
Yes.
But actually the family have been with you and which is very bad.
So if I make this and I make out, I wanted my brother. But don't kind of plan it back and my youngest sister, you know, I was okay. Then that was a car, I just come cap. But I'm asking any because on if you in Doka, nobody in Doka will not come again. I will be in a mortuary. That mortuary bill. Or one of my nephews were worried, not the mortuary bill. So I will do most every day from the church to our house. Every day, how many parts I'm able to my brothers are able to in our house, family house. Everybody was say, at Mada, because one already, open on Woody, and everything that be there. So I was put in finally, Omoada, reported the matter to Omoada. Omoada, which is there. Then later, they accepted in our family house. They will be there. After the ceremony, everything, I'm everything. Buchi Atia.
Oh, one day on us in a mgbe the team pụtabara issue na aka inye na cemetery.
No, okay, we plan to bury my sister at the cemetery. So I got a cemetery, St. Francis Church. I got there. Open the back, you go completely. Then the father in charge, we signed another place. I mean, this man here for 20 years. For the old one to send. Not a big way down. I'll try 3 feet or thereabout. You could talk about what you see, even the cloth on your eye. Not as much as the fresh.
And don't jet seek for the first cemetery.
You must okay. I want to get Francis. You will let me again and our ladies. I can get our ladies. The our ladies catechist. Where's that I should go to Central Church that make me Central Church catechist. Mama please on that. In Central Church, the catechist where's that everybody you go but who use my influence. Mama father I got my love. So I went to the priest, even though I'm spending 1 hour there waiting for him to come out. Then finally I go present. Was in Kevin. This is my mission. I'm begging my sister. Now, Central St. Francis this barrier this mortuary no cemetery to go. We push it there. Was okay. Now that in Benambo, you do to number good.
So all the cemeteries
You see.
and then I say why not cemetery?
Cemetery is in it. You only choice. This is very all the verifiable. You choice did you so I tried as much as I could. Failure. So the next option, people were suggesting, so why can't you carry this sister to
your own
home? Where's an order proper? One that you may be from the father's compound. You can never add a portion. Instead of 6 feet down, 3 feet by 6 feet. You put 6 feet down. Then I went to the family house. The portion I joined here. Oh my God, look at their violence. Winterba, Bulaga, Padre to be. Now, along the line, one Reverend Father, Antonia Sana, yeah, or my give us a plan to go to church. We have finished Benjamin. Oh, as I am living witness.
Man, even the father,
Living there for a man.
I don't know about him and the father.
Not by my so you know, but I don't know the was surprise. Awesome, chief, this time of one of your no go on there, you know, anyone my about.
Ndini when you say camera can make video. I see the coffee. I can have money and made now a camera when I turn the Macan you. Now we watch on a jab or don't we beg on Macana had at number family because of Amula in so how much chat at Hanomo at number now, but in a bunemi the violence. Yes. No, you men Putanatum Nadimaka, on Cafeti with you. A second I am Pagola, Sinnedim Naga Mayola, or wine Chagodi, Ghana Babedia. Oh yeah, no, now that day. You ndi good mother. Makandi hotally enjoy maybe that video. You ndi good mother. Can disgrace my father-in-law and mother-in-law in public. Therefore, that may Umuoji. How I got back to the world. That the world will judge this case. Yes. I don't go one yellow because the thing I report to get everywhere. I go court, I make go police, I make go everything. They are being violent to everybody. On Nadim corner, but for the animal we actually take action. Obi one ne or seeking again calm or getting why you're in here. Or from a Maria game. Man, we know we are doing everything we are doing legally. Why are they able now only make mistake? Man, still the intimidation is too much. The bully is too much. On your be here about as a compound. That is
so so the Reverend Father appealed to me saying, Chief, open this your sister, now your house, your house, or the ball. Instead of normal ball or sort you. Come on now, the family compound. I said, okay, more besides that, we're saying to one drop. When you go back on them, before when you have been mad to fear to you got to go, maybe a German compound again here above. Come on, my sister, what is the name? I say, deny, not getting up in there. You got to go, Nandi more na puzo. If I might believe, Nandi more na puzo. I don't make people to them. Let him continue. So we bring from the church to my house. Yeah, we near my son, my sister. Then along the line, that my brother now bam me stand me fair. Threaten what they do much. They may stand me go talk more that I'm going to see.
Which one you open phone and camera when cabin. The problem is that apart from the house na again here behind no siogo me see oto ye ni na emere the other na the compound e burukwa osunwa da bata na ma kwatekwazie na oge ni e bi bata kwa bia nda ma we choro okwu na afuga ebe problem si nu we fam na social media ha we si we burukwa ya bata be nwado brutox bata be nwado
Why am I to leave?
Bully, the bully siketa.
You must leave this compound.
Yes.
Leave this compound now. Normally, this is my own personal.
A man took one the begging. A group by a batapon or give it open and was a kid.
You go there. This I give you by meanwhile, you put anything in life. When I want to make in life, both life and death. Why do you leave your house again to come to this compound?
That's bully.
We go grab this compound now. Back in the measure kind of bottom. And then do to an eye that Namogafu, someone move by Jack Elephant, Namogafu, na family Sammy.
Other video post, Unga for the first hotel on out to Nadimacani.
Make a Sammy, so in the beacon. What I have no now. Mother will I will square somewhere with Rabba, Samba. Go down no paper and never say about. I was an open diva. I don't have to run to another place. On I was also tomorrow. One of you will be another job on a big if we are not big. So even I don't know what because Tino go on beacon. To save my life and the life of my family.
The threat is too much. And not even only that. When boss say, na the place father wedge, na the place where Bob
and about the guitar.
About. So they are using all sort of things. They took the bed, a bomb, make or make it done. Oh, no, this is where they.
My wonder because no one can make it. The mother can quite correct. But still, another threat. So no, I can one of people.
Because I know on the social media, and they on your bonnet, in your Makano, no one but yet when social media. I have to go on the edge of social media. Macandina say, why are you bringing family issue of social media? Oh, yes, it's in a gafego. Ebegin on police station in Agebe. So we are coming to social media because social media have helped a lot of people.
Yes.
Social media is going to a lot of help. And I also one of the people who get benefits. I know you do. On your way, you're getting this issue. You have because the thing I can go. The thing I can go. Oh, okay, see, after no violence, the thing I can go.
More than a threat myself, but this is what the police.
Police, government official, anybody about they are threatening them.
The police woman not to today. If you like verify, then you ask woman or what you for this matter. You see? So I'm not going to get
so because no hana a threat here na emeka ha me ye mute unu for that video post on potazio na mozie na mute ko we okwa nke a make dey na court say no ke we nwu
fight about make this case na join ya na
so because kai na you do onye nwere anya maka do no na court mana help ka na adi na nne nwo mmiri to biko ni ihe ọma ha mere ihe ọjọọ we megide onwe ha biko kai na onye ọbụla nwere anya maka oge nya anyị ka onye la anya aka do biko to sala anyị ozi a share na comment ya nne ya ka unu ko we go the right people ntị biko kai na ngwa no o dalu pan chukwu gozie onye ọbụla